See if this old 212 is going to fire up. So there you go, starts right up. Runs pretty well, nice quiet engine. I think I'm going to get a clip of that driving and maybe pushing some dirt around in a little bit. I'll just turn that off for now.